Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wow, look, such an interesting background here. So exciting. I think this product, I must do it for the kids. Okay, the next product that I'm going to introduce to you is the LVN calcium. Okay, you see a little superhero here. Yeah, it's not just for the kids though. Okay, the main ingredient is soya, or they call it the kedelai. There is also collagen, royal jelly, calcium seaweed, fish oil. Wow, everything that you need in the milk for your kids' growth and development is all in this small packet here. You can have it more than once a day. It's up to you. Helps to improve your mental memory. Okay, it promotes mental growth. It promotes physical growth. It helps to increase your appetite, improve your appetite. So for people who have difficulty putting on weight, loss of appetite, getting skinnier by the day, yes, this is the product for you. Okay. For people who have problems with osteoporosis or weak bones, weak teeth, yes, this is the product for you. So other than kids above 2 years old, for adults, yes, you can take this as well as a supplement for your daily needs. And please keep your bones and your teeth strong, because only when you're strong, your immunity is high. And when your immunity is high, you can prevent yourself from getting infected by the coronavirus. As you can see, I am not wearing a mask because I am taking Eco Racing products. Well, these are genuinely organic and very good, affordable products that you can take as a supplement for your daily nutrition needs. So we do have this in stock. Contact us. You have our WhatsApp number. Contact us and just order. Do your repeat order. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.